Router 3 is not receiving the route to Router 1's loopback. Investigate and resolve the issue if possible. Log into Router 3 to verify the peering is established. What could be causing a route to not be advertised? It could be policy. You could use the show neighbor command. No prefixes are being blocked. You could also check with show IP protocol. Incoming policy is not applied. You could also use the good old-fashioned show run command. In order for a route to be received, it must first be advertised. Let's check that Router 1 is advertising it. Router 1 isn't advertising the route. Check the route table for the route. Then check the applied network statement. The statement is incorrect. The mask is wrong. Remember that BGP is instructed which route to advertise from the RIB with the network statement. The network statement must match the RIB exactly. Make the correction. Router 1 is now advertising the route. Router 3 is receiving it.